In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Microsoft Word. Whether you're building a quick diagram, highlighting a key point, or designing a simple layout, shapes can make your document clearer and more engaging. I'll walk you through the essentials and share a few practical tips so you get clean, professional results. Start by opening your document in Word. Look to the top of the window for the ribbon and go to the Insert tab. If your window is narrow, some options may be tucked under buttons like illustrations or a drop-down. Expanding the window or clicking the appropriate group will help you find what you need. Next, select the Shapes option. A gallery will appear with categories such as lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, callouts, and flowchart. Hover over any icon to see its name. Pick the one that matches your goal. Rectangles and circles are great for callouts, arrows are ideal for direction, and callouts are perfect for annotations. After choosing a shape, your cursor becomes a crosshair. Click and drag on the page to draw it. For precise results, hold Shift while dragging to keep proportions perfect, like a perfect square or circle. Need to position it more exactly? Release the mouse, then drag the shape where you want it. Use the corner handles to resize proportionally, and the side handles to stretch in one direction. The circular arrow above the shape lets you rotate it. Hold Shift while rotating to snap to clean angles. If you like exact placement, the arrow keys can nudge the shape a pixel at a time. When a shape is selected, the Shape Format tab appears on the ribbon. Here you can apply a preset style, change the fill color, adjust the outline color and thickness, and add effects like shadows or glows. For detailed control, open the Format Shape pane to fine-tune fills, gradients, and transparency. You can also add text directly inside most shapes. Click the shape and start typing, or use Add Text from the context menu. Then set the font, size, and alignment just like normal text. If your shape overlaps other content, choose how it interacts with text using layout options. Inline with text keeps it in the text flow, while square or tight lets text wrap around it. In front of text or behind text is useful for overlays and watermarks. Finally, align multiple shapes neatly with the Align tools on the Shape Format tab, and use Distribute to space them evenly. Duplicate shapes to keep consistent sizing, and apply a theme for cohesive colors. That's it. Simple, flexible, and powerful. Save your document, and you're ready to go.